Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable downloads over metered connections on Windows 11 as it pertains to Windows updates. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Start button and go ahead and select Settings. You want to select Windows Update on the left side. And then you want to select Advanced Options, so go ahead and select that. You want to see where it says Download Updates over Metered Connections. If you want to go ahead and turn that on or off, you can right here. So again, pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.